Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this little thoughtful no Christmas gift. We're starting out with some paper and just writing little thoughtful quotes. Like this one says, "You are worthy." If you can't think of lots, you can always find thoughtful quotes online. I actually like the personal touch of writing them out, but if you don't want to write them out, you can always print them out, cut them up. And here I'm just rolling it up into like a little scroll. I'm just tying them up. I'm just moving on to my next note. And as you can see, this one says, "You are good enough." Again, I'm just going to roll this up into a scroll. These types of gifts are really good to give, because especially if you're on a budget, because they cost hardly anything to make and they're really thoughtful, and you can write down quotes that you know your friends would want to hear or read, rather, or family members. If you are doing these by hand, it can take a while, but I just think it gives the gift just a little bit extra to have them by hand. As you can see, this one says, "When I count my blessings, I count you twice." Again, I'm just rolling it up into a scroll. Tying it up. And it's as simple as that. I'm not going to show you me making them all because no one wants to see that. Here I just have a jar. This was a really inexpensive jar from Home & Bargain. As you can see, I have all my little squirrels done. I'm just going to pop them into the jar. These jars are really nice and really inexpensive. I think they were £1.50 per jar from Home and Bargain in the UK. When you give this as a gift, you can choose one each morning, or you could just save them for when you're having a bad day. Just pick one out on the days where you're not feeling the best. And you have a nice little positive message from a friend or a family member. You're amazing just the way you are. As you can see, it's a really pretty jar. I ended up tying some string around this and added a couple of gift tags to it. Let me know if this is the type of gift you would like to receive, or if you try this yourself.